God.
Wow, what a f***ing idiot. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. This dude just dumped his motorcycle.
Oh,
Thanks for the chicken. Oh, he ran that red light just plain as day.
Sure did, didn't he?
Right out front. More Jim thinking. Right out front. Right2025.com. He's right. It could be president. Most popular president in history. Investors. Go to birthright2020.com. Listen to 550 KF.
Whoa. Oh my. Come on. Why is he speeding like that? Like.
In 1,000 feet, use the right lane to take the I-43 south ramp to I-94.
No more than 12. He was a wildcat, twisting, jerking. The guards beat the boy until he lay still on the cobblestone.
The Arab and returned to his seat. "You three are as good as a traveling troupe," Mola said, and let it out slowly. He reset his shoulders and brought the doll and the pin up in front of him. His hand shook. "Telu, anyway," he said. "You scared the hell out of me. I can't do this now." "For the love of God." Mola stood and walked around the fire pit to stand over Simon. She held out her hands. "Give it to me." She took the mommet and pin and turned to look me in the eye.
If not in person. It was the view from her drones, the sight she'd been rewarded with on 4 flights. With the push of a throttle, she would be up there in those clouds, banking hard and flying free. But this time, it was with weary muscles that she crawled up the ramp. He trained his light backward, and something moved on one of the counters. It leapt straight up, the sound of claws scratching as it caught itself on an open cabinet above the counter. Then the whisking of a bushy tail, before a black shadow disappeared into the darkness.
Bro, you can't do that. Great. All because of this dummy who's like, I don't wanna miss my light.
Jesus. What the hell happened? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Jeremy.com. Get one free set of brake pads when you buy 2 brake rotors. Visit O'Reilly Auto Parts. Offer in-store only. See store for details. O'Reilly.
Troll! Both are just being
Fucking hell was that I just had a mother
Fake you, stupid bastard. Fake you, stupid bastard.